Implementing a policy, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that's relevant not only in professional environments but also in various organizational contexts: implementing a policy. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both English language learners and those looking to navigate administrative or workplace settings more effectively. Stay tuned as we break down what it means to implement a policy, how it's done, and why it matters. When we talk about implementing a policy, we're referring to the process of putting a plan or decision into effect. Policies can be rules, guidelines, or procedures designed to achieve certain goals within an organization, company, or society. Implementing these policies means taking the necessary actions to ensure that the intentions behind the policy are realized and that the policy is fully functional and effective in real-world situations. Implementing a policy involves several key steps to ensure its success. Here's a brief overview. 1. Preparation. Before a policy can be implemented, it needs to be clearly defined and understood. This involves identifying the goals of the policy, the stakeholders involved, and the resources required. 2. Communication. It's essential to communicate the policy to everyone affected. This ensures that all stakeholders are aware of the new rules or guidelines and understand their roles in the implementation process. 3. Training. In many cases, stakeholders may require training to adhere to the new policy effectively. This step is crucial for ensuring everyone has the necessary skills and knowledge. 4. Execution. This is the actual implementation of the policy, where the plans are put into action. It may involve changes to procedures, introduction of new forms, or the enforcement of new guidelines. 5. Monitoring and evaluation. After the policy is in place, its effectiveness should be monitored. This involves collecting data, getting feedback, and making adjustments as necessary to ensure the policy achieves its intended goals. Implementing a policy is not just about introducing new rules. It's about achieving specific outcomes that improve the organization or society. Proper implementation ensures that policies are not just theoretical but bring about real change. It helps in ensuring compliance with legal and ethical standards, improving efficiency by standardizing processes, enhancing safety and well-being for everyone involved, promoting fairness and equality within the organization. Implementing a policy is a complex process that requires careful planning, clear communication, and ongoing evaluation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone interested in organizational dynamics, understanding how to effectively implement a policy is a valuable skill. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to implement a policy, and why it's a critical process in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.